Soft inside but with a crispy crust and so easy to make. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making semolina bread. This pane Siciliano is made with semolina flour. This is why this bread has a tender, light, almost chewy interior and a sturdy structure with a rustic, crispy crust. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Make sure you use semolina flour. To find out the difference between semolina and semolina flour, you can check the video above. For simplicity, we are making it in the bread machine. If you do not have a bread machine, follow the instructions in the video above. Pour into the bread machine basket the wet ingredients. Then add the dry ingredients. Set the bread machine to the program to only make the dough, not cook it. It will take about 1.5 hours. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide the dough into 3 portions. Roll each portion into a long, thin strand. Ensure the strands are evenly thick throughout their length. Lay the strands next to each other horizontally over a baking sheet or parchment paper. Pinch the 3 strands together at one end to secure them. Braid the dough to give it the classic form of Sicilian bread. Pinch the ends together to seal them. Cover and let the dough rise for another hour. Drizzle some water over the top and sprinkle with some sesame seeds. The water will make a crispy crust. Bake the bread for 15 minutes at 480 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 250 degrees Celsius. Then lower the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 15 minutes. Bake for 8 more minutes at 320 Fahrenheit, which is 160 degrees Celsius, with the door of the oven slightly open. Once the bread is golden brown, carefully remove it from the oven and cool it on a wire rack. The sturdy structure of this crusty bread makes it perfect for sandwiches, soups and salads. For more Italian bread recipes, check out the playlist above. Discover our mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your Guardian Chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to eat this bread with the orange marmalade we published last week.